Hello guys, welcome back to our video, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing my review of Apple's smart keyboard Folio for the iPad Pro 11-inch. I'm going to be telling you how this keyboard was after 1 year of use, and yeah, let's begin. Okay, so the smart keyboard Folio. Let me just get it out of my iPad Pro, set it aside, and there it is. Let's take a look at it. So opening it, here you have your keyboard, and we had this keyboard since 2015, but this is a new design. It's called Folio, specifically for the new generations of the iPad Pro. But we had this since the 12.9-inch iPad Pro from 2015, so we're pretty much familiar with this keyboard. It has this, I don't know, it's like the butterfly mechanism because it has low travel, but it really isn't the butterfly mechanism. But it does have low travel, it has clicky keys. It does feel nice to type on since it has low travel. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure on it to hit the keys. And they have a clicky sound which some people prefer and some don't. Personally, I do. Now the benefits of the keyboard is because it makes the typing experience better, and you have keys, some keys that the keyboard, on-screen keyboard on the iPad don't have, like option, arrow keys, control keys, command keys. So you have command shortcuts, which is nice, and that's pretty much it. Then you have here two inlines here and here for two adjustments for the iPad Pro, so you can prop it up like this, first orientation, or second one like this, which way you prefer. At the back of the here we have some nice like inlining. It's like Alcantara, I'm not sure, which does make your iPad Pro safe from scratching against this case. And here we have the 3 pins for the smart connector. At the back we have the cutout for the camera, a divider like this so it can be folded in any way, and at the front nothing. Basically this keyboard is made out of like soft, I don't know, rubbery material that kind of can wear out after a few weeks of use. Obviously I had this for 1 year, but it can wear out in a few weeks of use. Depends on how you take care of this. One of the advantages of the keyboard is it's really slim, like it's as thin as the iPad itself. Yeah, pretty much it's as thin as the iPad itself, and it's really light, and it keeps your iPad portable, light and thin, which is nice. But the disadvantages is as I said, the material itself. It's made out of this, I don't know, soft material that it can feel nice to touch, but how it looks after a few weeks of use, you're not gonna like it. Another disadvantage is it doesn't protect your iPad Pro at all. Just the back and the front, your screen and the back, but it doesn't protect the bumpers. So for example, here I have like a bump, and I was wearing this iPad Pro with the case. It didn't help to protect it, and obviously it was that, but it's not gonna help protect. You don't see any bumper protection in here, but also for $180, Apple should have like made something better than this. This for $180. Now I understand this is, you pay for the slimness, you pay for the smart connector that just pairs your iPad fast, easy and quick, but there's no backlighting keys. The material kind of wears out and doesn't look really nice, and no protection. And for $180, that's not really cool. They should have added some protection. Now I get it, they try to make it as slim as possible, but I don't think people would mind. They would love to see protection. They should have had backlighting keys. Now I know that the Magic Keyboard, the new Magic Keyboard has that, but why not add it to the smart keyboard Folio as well? That would be nice. The keyboard doesn't have trackpad. The Magic Keyboard only has a trackpad. And also, it would be nice if Apple would change the material of this. It's just not cool after a few weeks of use. It just looks terrible. But the keyboard itself, it's good. It makes the typing experience, as I said, a lot better. Thanks to the smart connector, it pairs really quick and automatically easy. Let's now take a listen at how this keyboard sounds. So we just heard how the keyboard sounds. I do kind of like the sound because it just kind of makes the typing experience better. It's, as I said, they kind of do it. They're kind of similar to the butterfly switches. They're not butterfly switches, and I do know how butterfly switches sound, but they do have low travel like the butterfly switches, and they're quite clicky and noisy like the butterfly switches, which I do like. And that's why my iPad Pro with the smart keyboard is my typing machine. So I do type here a lot because of the keyboard, especially just on this. I do feel better typing on this keyboard than the scissor mechanism keyboard on my MacBook Pro 15-inch. But also, Apple has released the new Magic Keyboard for the new MacBooks and for the iPad Pro. The Magic Keyboard case. Also, there's a wireless Magic Keyboard that comes with your iMacs. Yeah, now, so Apple's moving to the Magic Keyboard lineup. Butterfly is gone. What things I would like to see new for the next generation if Apple's gonna make new smart keyboard folios is new materials, for sure. This material does wear quickly, as I said. A trackpad, that would have been cool. I know you get the trackpad in the Magic Keyboard, but having an integrated trackpad would be cool. And for this price, in the next generation, it should be there. I would like to have more adjustment to the keyboard. Now, if you remember, with the previous generations, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. With the previous generation, so here's the smart keyboard for the iPad Pro 2017. And we had this for the iPad Pro 2016 and 15. But with them, you were able to fold it like this. And that means you could have laid down and watched videos like this without the keyboard piece actually being like this. On this one, you can't have that. It's just two positions, like I showed you. So yeah, some improvements I would like to see on the new next-gen trackpad, maybe. New material, definitely. They could stay with the keyboard speech just like this. They don't have to break that. I know people don't really like these. I don't mind. I'd like to have more flexibility and more bumper protection. Now, I know what you're saying. This is all you just said. The Magic Keyboard has that. Yeah, but basically, if they will do all these stuff, the only difference between that is gonna be this keyboard. If they're gonna keep with this keyboard, it's gonna have this mechanism, and also I'd like to see backlighting. By the way. But overall, the only purpose for this keyboard is to make my iPad Pro typing experience better, and it does deliver that. Since, as I said, I use this as a typing machine. I type on this than on my MacBook Pro 15-inch because of the unwobbly scissor mechanism that has a lot of travel, and you have to. I prefer this. It's much more accurate, low travel. It's clicky. I kind of do like that, and it's not as wobbly but also obviously the new Magic Keyboard is also has that, but also it has backlighting and it might be more durable. But it is what it is. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.